In today's video, I am going to teach you how to calculate VAT in Excel. This is a simple and useful calculation if you are working with product prices, invoices, sales sheets, or any spreadsheet where you need to add VAT to a base price. In this example, the product price is already entered in column B, and we are going to calculate the VAT amount in column C. Then we will calculate the final total price, including VAT, in column D. Start by clicking cell C2. This should be the cell directly next to your first product price. The reason we start in C2 is that the first price is in B2, so placing the VAT calculation beside it keeps the spreadsheet clear and easy to read. It also makes it easier to copy the formula down for the rest of your products later. Now type the formula equals B2 multiplied by 0.20. The full formula should look like this, equals B2 times 0.20. This tells Excel to take the price in cell B2 and multiply it by 20%. Since standard VAT is 20%, in this example, 0.20 represents the VAT rate as a decimal. Once the formula is typed into cell C2, press Enter on your keyboard. Excel will calculate the VAT amount for the first product and display the result in cell C2. At this point, you should see only the VAT value, not the total price. This is useful because it separates the tax amount from the original product price. Next, click cell C2 again. This selects the cell that contains the VAT formula you just created. Look carefully at the bottom right corner of the selected cell. When you hover your mouse over that corner, the cursor should change into a small black plus sign. This plus sign is the fill handle, and it allows you to copy the same formula into other cells below. When the black plus sign appears, double-click it. Excel will automatically fill the formula down column C for the remaining rows. This copies the VAT calculation for each product price in column B. Excel also adjusts the formula for each row, so the formula in C3 will use B3, the formula in C4 will use B4, and so on. This saves time and helps avoid manual entry errors. Now that the VAT amount has been calculated, the next part is to calculate the full price including VAT. Click cell D2. This cell will hold the total price for the first product, which means the original price plus the VAT amount. In cell D2, type the formula equals B2 plus C2. This formula adds the original product price from cell B2 to the VAT amount from cell C2. Together, those two values give you the final price including VAT. After typing the formula, press Enter on your keyboard. Excel will now show the total price including VAT in cell D2. You now have the original price in column B, the VAT amount in column C, and the final VAT inclusive price in column D. To apply this total price formula to the rest of the rows, use the same fill handle method. Move your cursor to the bottom right corner of cell D2 until the black plus sign appears. Then drag the black plus sign down column D to fill the remaining rows. As you drag down, Excel copies the formula and adjusts it for each row, so every product gets its own total price, including VAT. And that is all there is to it. You have calculated the VAT amount in Excel and created a final price including VAT for each product in your spreadsheet.